We're here today also at the presentation with the mayor of Doral. Very great initiative. We would like to hear, how did this all start?
Well, this is all part of our Sister City program, and as you know, Aruba, Oranjestad is part of our sister cities. So there was a call to artists to participate because we believe in art in public places. And so El Migrante won this proposal because our community is made up of immigrants, and this is going to be such a symbolic piece in our community for all of those people who call Doral home now from other countries.
What went through your mind when you saw it for the first time live?
Oh, it's so impressive. It's beautiful. I said, what an icon for our community, for our park, for so many years to come. I could see people coming and taking photos in front of it, and it being a symbolic gesture of what Doral was founded on. Families that have come from all over the world and made this a city of family, of hopes and dreams, businesses, investments, and that's why we're so prosperous.
What will happen next after today in terms of the art piece?
So there's a couple of processes we have to go through now with permitting and then getting it installed. So we're hoping that by end of May, early June, we'll be able to enjoy this piece in our park, and our residents will be able to enjoy it as well.
In terms of the Sister City program, are there any things going on coming up?
We're always doing events with our Sister City program. Yes, we have a jazz night coming up. We have an art show that is coming now in the next couple of weeks. We're always looking at opportunities to celebrate our Sister City partnerships and create opportunities on both sides for those who have been part of this partnership for many years.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations, and we're looking forward to the installation day.
Thank you. So am I. I can't wait, and I know our community is going to be so happy when they get to see this piece, and more importantly, when they read the symbolism behind it.
Aruba, sa kita Mayor di Doral, kende ta opdrachtgever ku dus pan commissiona is art piece aki. Yes, nino sa nabutan ba ibanda di Doral di kong art piece aki ta waro instala.